On this episode of TheRustyCracker, we drive from Florida to Tennessee.
We're about to do it, 99999.9.
We eat some chicken wings. Then we pass by a mountain on fire.
Whoa, the whole side of the mountain. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name is Rusty. We are back truck driving around America. And America, I mean literally regional, because I do not go far, right? We are in Jacksonville, Florida, parked at my junkyard lot, and we are doing our PTI. Guess what, fellas? Finally got a load. These loads, man. Oh man, they be stressing me out. Everything's so cheap. We're checking our oils, checking our everything. We are already loaded. We got loaded Friday. It is Sunday, and we are on our way to Knoxville, Tennessee. Always, always, always truthful with you guys. We will tell you the load rate of this load that is inside this trailer at the end of the video. I don't got a seal on there. I'm allowed to show you guys what I got in there, and it ain't nothing impressive. It only weighs about 15,000 pounds. And well, do I got an update on this for you? Oh, I do have an update on the trailer for you guys. I have changed all of these caps. So for the self-inflator systems, there's these caps and there's a seal in there and there's an O-ring in there that spins. It lets out air, and two of these were letting out air and blowing out the seals on the back. If you guys remember, we rebuilt this whole trailer and it kept blowing out the seals, and I was like, what's going on? So I figured out it was letting air through these little systems inside here. These were like 150 bucks each. So I just replaced all of them. I'm not gonna even bother. That's actually one of the bad things about these self-inflator systems. It leaks inside there and then it blows out your seals, and you think you have like an annoying bad trailer, but it's just actually these caps. Changed all the caps. We got the spare tire carrier right there. Nothing really else happening here, boys. I will show you this load. Let's turn on some light for you. Oh yes, we got some things over here. I'm not really sure what these were. These are some sort of underground facility boxes. It's going to some sort of new building of a gas station. Not really sure. Also, on this side of the trailer, I'm not really liking how we fixed this scrape right here. When this thing got rebuilt, I know that I said to you guys that I kind of like the patina look. Now it's just bothering me. I'm not sure. It got dirty and now the little stains are showing up, and it looks like it's a poor job. I don't know, might redo it some year, who knows. Got all these lights working. Let's go ahead and do our PTIs and head out.
Set my heart
to idle up this Volvo. I don't know if you guys know, editor, you know, zoom into this. Still got my check engine light. I should put a piece of black tape like right here, you know what I'm saying. So idle up this truck, you make sure the cruise is on right there, and then you bump this idle up right there on the screen. You can tell it's going up. Always bump it up so the PSI oil pressure goes up slightly. Try to take care of my stuff, you know what I'm saying. Also, very, very exciting news for you boys. Look what kind of mileage we got. We got 999,835, almost 100,000 miles. We will hit it on this trip. I can't believe this thing has 100K miles. When I purchased this thing completely wrecked and rebuilt it, it had 23,000 miles. I think a year and 2 months we put on 70 something thousand miles. 80,000? Wait, 180? I can't math right now, but you know what I'm saying. Check it out. We're gonna hit it. We're gonna hit it, boys. Doing PTIs right there, and oh, we're almost out. Well, I had to stop actually. I wasn't done with my PTI timer. I got like 1 more minute left. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see this or not correctly. There's 2 ways to get to Knoxville from Jacksonville, Florida. And the most important thing I say is not to go into Atlanta, Georgia. So through Atlanta, Georgia, we got 560 miles, and that's not counting the bypass. Trucks have to go through the bypass, which is about 10 miles longer. So we got about 570 miles here. Or the other path is to go through the Carolinas. So we're going to Savannah, and then we go all the way up towards Spartanburg and through Asheville and to Knoxville. The only issue is there's 2 big mountain passes there but it's 550 miles. So you save about 20 miles going this way. It could be a little more congestion, but I am light, so I'm not really worried about the mountain pass. I really don't like Atlanta, so that's the path we're gonna choose. All trucks must enter wait station. It is a Sunday though. A lot of people did give me some. There you go. There goes my free pass. You guys hear it beeping like kind of fast? That means there's a light on there too. I don't want to show it to you right now, but when it beeps like that, that means I got a green for go. So I do not have to pull in. For some reasons on the Sundays, they give you kind of like a free pass, but not always, you know what I'm saying? Like they do have these little underground scales that you run over and they feel like if it's a semi and then you're heavy, they pull you in. But I'm very light, so they just like, get out of here, you know what I'm saying? Also, we're in Florida, we're about to enter Georgia, so agriculture is coming up. And there goes agriculture, scanning me in already over there. I got a green for them. There's a bunch of cops here. They do a good job finding stolen trailers and equipment and stuff like that. All right, there you go. Thanks for visiting Florida. Welcome to Georgia. We are in Brunswick, flying J. This is the cheapest fuel I could find on my route. We got a little more than half a tank, but I'm gonna top it off because everywhere else, it's about 3 with the RTS fuel card. I have the RTS one. I could get a TCS if I really wanted to try out Petro and TA. They're so garbage though, but if I really wanted to, I would. But this RTS card is about, I think it was like 70 cents cheaper than regular price, but this is the cheapest one. I got about $3.32 here. Everywhere else on my route is about $3.70. So gotta save a little bit here, top her off, and then we're gonna get going. Check out this trucker. Oh, that's really cool. And then look, he lowers the airbags. Oh yeah. Now, that's a real trucker right there, car hauler. Yeah, a lot of, he has a lot of respect for his truck right there. And that's what, you know, I'm one of those steering wheel holders. He's probably a real trucker, right? That's what you guys call us. I mean, it's sick, I like it. Probably makes more money to me, tell you what. All right, let's finish this up and get going.
Are you in need of a great place to take your truck for service? If you're around the Western North Carolina area, I have the perfect place for you. Max Diesel Services does everything from oil changes to welding, tire balancing, hub bearing repairs. Everything you can think of, they have the professionals waiting for you. With great prices, this family establishment is the right choice. Visit Max Diesel Services today.
Eating some spicy wings. I got this bird over here. Yo, is that a bad sign? Do I rev my engine? Get out of here. Before we head out, check this out. This is my dash cams right here. Because for a reason, we got Vifo again sending me dash cams. Why are you doing this? I have no clue. I already have 2 Vifo, the older editions. We have the A13 Pro 4K right here, which is great quality. Then we have the A229 right here. They just sent me their updated version, the 4K A229 Pro. I mean, boys, I don't know how much times I have to tell you guys this. This is one of the best dash cams. I used to always get Garmin, and now I am stuck on them. I remember talking really good about them this one time, and they won't stop sending me dash cams. So I appreciate it, Vifo. Can you like not send me so many? Great value also. If you guys check out the link down below, I will send it to you guys, and it is awesome. They also have a bunch of extra cameras that comes with it. So you have the front cameras. You can also put the reverse cameras. You have the little button right when something happens, you click on it and it saves all the recordings right there at your fingertip. A bunch of wiring kits, also has the memory card. The full kit is there, boys. I will be replacing this. I'm a little busy right now, as you can tell. We need to head out. I'm over here wasting time eating dang wings and messing with the dang birds over here. I don't know. It's Sunday, so I'm trying to relax, okay? Leave me alone. But still, Vifo has pulled through again. I will be changing this trip. When I put it on, I will be probably sending this off back to them, or I'm gonna be selling it. I don't know. This kit is pretty affordable, so check it out. Well, I can see why there was a bunch of cops running this way. There was some sort of police chase. I remember this car actually right there that's inside the woods. We're about to get a closer look here soon. That thing was going about 120. Cops after it way far back behind it though. This is right before Savannah, Georgia. What do we got? We got Georgia State Patrol. We got Sheriff. Somebody's arrested, but don't know. There's another cop right there. I don't know what's going on here. They're definitely looking for somebody. This is the drug corridor though, 95 all the way to Savannah. These Georgia cops don't play around. Welcome to South Carolina. What do we got, like 400 miles left or something like that? And we are almost hitting the 100K mark right there.
Later.
We're about to do it. We're about to do it. 9999999. This is it. Oh, 100K miles. She has survived 100,000. Not gonna lie, this is just a break-in point for a Volvo. And she just got broken in 3 years later after manufacturing. So you're very low mileage on this baby. I think I can squeeze out another 3 years out of her, especially how low amount of miles I'm driving per year. You're a good girl. We got 385 miles left. Let's hustle it out. Oh man, this load rate, boys. It's gonna be impressive or very sad. Stay tuned to find out. All right, boys, it is dark and didn't want to film any of this, but I did not know we were going to get in a complete shutdown. We did hit I-40 in North Carolina already, so we're not far from the Tennessee border where the mountains like swivel back and forth like this, and it's a complete shutdown. We got about 20 mile that it says it's red on the GPS. Let me quickly show you guys this because I do use, oh, what the heck? It just changed on me. Oh, looks like it's opening and back up. Oh, lucky us. Maybe it's because I started recording, I don't know. But boys, it's getting dark. I don't like recording too much when it's dark. Very bad visuals, you know what I'm saying? So if anything else happens, if not, then I'll see you in the morning. All right, guys, something that happened, and I'm not sure what it is, but the side of this mountain is on fire right now. Oh my goodness, I don't know if you guys can see it. Why is it on fire? And it's all the way down towards the road. Whoa, the whole side of the mountain. Bro, no way. No. I don't know what that fire was about last night, but that just kind of freaked me out. I've never seen anything like it in the Appalachian Mountains. If you guys know what that was, it was on the border of Tennessee and North Carolina on I-40 on the 19th of November. So let me know in the comments below what you think that was. Maybe arson, that's what I'm predicting, but I'm not really sure. This building is a new construction site or something, and they don't get here until 9 o'clock. It's already 8:30 and I'm waiting.
Eventually.
Just backed up to the dock right there. And let me explain to you guys the load rate I got for this. So, Jacksonville, Florida, I picked it up on Friday. Chilled over the weekend at my place. Sunday morning-ish, 1 o'clock. Drove out and made it here at about 9:30, 10 o'clock. Slept overnight here, and it is Monday morning. This load was exactly 550 miles. Boys, Guess how much I got this load for? Put it in the comments below. 3, 2, 1. $1,100. I know a lot of you guys are gonna say, that's $2 a mile, that's so cheap. And yes, it is. You think I'm not driving for no reason? Of course I'm not. This is the most I've ever gotten in about 1 month. Freights have been crashing, the load rates, I mean, it's been insane. This was also very lucky because usually loads on Friday always pay slightly more to come out because they know you have to hold the freight and then deliver Monday, which I don't mind doing, but still. It is what it is, boys. But there it is. It wasn't a bad trip. Not a bunch of mountains. Well, you know, except that I-26 mountain to go up to the Carolinas, and then from the I-40 where we seen the mountain on fire. Hopefully you guys had a good view of that fire. I'm not sure what that was, but I'm pretty sure you guys will let me know in the comments down below. Appreciate it. Stay blessed. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm gonna have a bunch of cool things coming up here soon. Deuces. Editor, note to editor, show these signs when I said leaving Florida and then welcome to Georgia.